It is 6 a.m. and I am basically painting in the dark right now. But in order to get anything done, as the mother of a 3-year-old, I gotta do what I gotta do. So anyway, I just thought that I would tell you guys a little bit about how I'm approaching the hair. So as you can see, I have not used one flat color. As the wet hair contours around the head, it changes color from blue to dark brown to yellowish brown. And so, let me see if I can show you the picture. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see how it's kind of more yellow in here, darker brown, and then a little bit of bluish tones in through here too, and then it changes to brown again and yellows. So I'm trying to capture that as I paint, and the way that I'm working is I'm using a rigger so that it has the brush has plenty of water and paint in it, but there's also a very fine detail point. And what I do is I first put down a strip of water that follows the hair, and then I go back in and fill it in with paint, if that makes sense. So here, I'll show you so I don't have to mess with light painting. And I'm holding my camera because it's just so dark in here. I don't want to get shadows on my painting from the lights. Okay, so I can even see. So see how I made that line of wet water? Then you can go back in and just dip the paint into it. Now I'll put some quinacridone deep gold and see how it kind of changes it just kind of all blends together in a really organic way. And so there's the blue. And see, so I've gotten a bunch of different colors in there. And then to soften it as it dries, you can go back in, and this is true of fur on animals too. You know, you can move in and out of the hair strand so that you don't have all these hard edges. You want to have soft edges and some hard edges in here, because that's how it looks when the light hits it. So don't just leave one hard edge. Go back in with a clean brush of clean water, and you can drag through it to give it some depth.